We have received information that there is crisis in some parts of northern Nigeria, in certain states of the north, where non-indigenous are being harassed, their property being touched, and some of them are being killed. That information, we are taking it very serious. I want to appeal to all IGBOs, all ABIANS, and the entire IGBO people that are in the north to please safeguard themselves by taking refuge in military barracks and police barracks, while action is on the part of the federal government and the state governments to make sure that this situation is brought under control. We believe in the corporate existence of this country, and we shall do everything possible to make sure that this situation is under control. I want also to appeal to the political leaders, religious leaders, and those who matter in states that are concerned to please take action to make sure that this situation is controlled, because the IGBOs in the southeast are watching keenly, and remember that endurance has a limit. Thank you, and God bless you.